We finally got to visit the IKEA store, and I was very excited for this visit because it's a one of a kind store. It has everything from furniture to home furnishings and everything that you need for home decoration. So I was extremely excited. The slots or the way you can enter right now is only by pre-booking. And right now I think you need at least a week before to plan your store visit, because I can see that the online bookings are full for at least 1 week right now. As you can see, there's a queue of vehicles here already, and I'm actually worried if it will be very crowded inside, which it might be. It's a huge store and you might get lost. Watch till the end for an awesome tip to save your time. It is a huge store spread across an area of 5.3 lakh square feet near Turbhe local railway station in Navi Mumbai. Sitting in the waiting area with complete social distancing. Here you can keep your kids. Like a little daycare for kids. It's closed right now. You can select your furniture in the showroom area. Take a picture of the label because that will help you find it out in the self-serve furniture area. Before that, you will get the market hall where you can pick up your smaller stuff. For the main furniture, you will have to go to the self-serve furniture area, take a flat trolley and find your product and pick it up. Then you can just bill it. The variety in home decor is unbeatable. Almost all the furniture at IKEA is ready to assemble furniture. You can assemble it yourself or take some technical help from IKEA. There's a huge variety of sofas here, and you can also try various combinations and customize your own sofa as well. There's also a very big kids furniture section which I could not cover in this video as I got really tired after 2-3 hours of walking and shooting and not able to enjoy sitting on all the furniture. The store actually has a lot of ideas for room decoration, and it has also mentioned dimensions of the bedrooms or living room spaces. So you can get a lot of tips and ideas from their decoration on how you want to plan your house. Follow the illuminated arrow marks on the floor to cover the entire store. It took us around 2 to 4 hours to complete visiting the whole store and billing and everything, and not forgetting the meal that we had in between. But for everyone who wants to visit IKEA, there's a tip that you should select your product on the online catalog. Come here to touch and feel it and make sure everything is alright, and then you just buy it. Even after that, I'm sure it's going to take at least 2 to 3 hours for you to finish the store visit. Or you can just select it online and collect it from the store car parking. They have a very big cafeteria here. The food here is also very delicious. We had some chicken meatballs with rice and gravy and some veg balls with mashed potatoes. Both were very tasty and filling. I had fun visiting the store. I have tried to give you a glimpse of the store so you know what to expect before booking your slot. Also, let me know if my tip helped you save some time. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel. Like and share it with your friends and family. Do comment and share your experiences, or if you have any suggestions. Thank you.